I got three choices here. The one I'm going to use for my Mexican rice. This is mild, hot, and fire roasted. This is what I'm going to use because it's my favorite one. You can use any one you like or just plain tomato sauce. Okay, I've been using salt, chicken base, cumin, fire roasted tomato, and green chilies. I got MSG, Italian seasoning. I got garlic powder, onion powder, and I got garlic, butter, jalapeno, green onion, lime, and rice. Oh, and of course flavored my flavored chili oil. I'm sorry, not chili oil. My flavored garlic and shallot oil. There's more to it, but I'll be showing a video on that. And hot water. Let's put some oil. Butter. Put in your garlic. And then your onion or shallots. Now when the onion and the garlic has turned very light brown, go ahead and take it out. Because I don't know if I put the rice in, if it's gonna cook well. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I think that's good enough. Then add your rice. This rice is about 1.5 cups. Let's go ahead and toast this for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes until it gets a bit darker. Then we'll add our seasoning in. Okay, I think this is good enough. I don't like it too dark, so I think this is fine. Now we're gonna add our spices. Let's see. Start with our MSG. Garlic powder. onion powder, and we got our cumin. I love cumin, so I'm going to add extra. It's really good on the rice. Then we have the Italian seasoning. We got salt. And we got chicken bouillon. I use 1 full tablespoon or Chinese spoon. Just go ahead and mix this up. Cumin smells really good. Again, you can add or remove whatever ingredients. For example, if you don't want to use MSG, don't add MSG. If you want to add more garlic powder, onion powder, add more. If you want to add less, then add less. It's all up to you. Give this a quick taste, just a little bit taste. Oops. Crunchy. Okay, now I'm going to add my Rotel fire roasted. And mix well. Make sure your water or your broth is boiling. You don't want to add cold liquid into this, okay? So I'm just waiting for my water to boil. I'm gonna add the lime at the end when the rice is done. I usually add cilantro, but I forgot to buy cilantro, so I guess this one is gonna be without the cilantro. How much water? I really cannot tell you how much. Just enough to cover the rice, okay? There you go, my water is done. Just enough to cover the rice. You know what? Let me taste. Oh my goodness, that is really good. Okay, now when that's already boiling right there, when you cover it, I always add what do you call this? Well, I'm about to show you anyway. Cover a cloth just like that, okay, and put the fire excuse me, to the lowest setting, as low as you can get it. because we're gonna cook this for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then turn it off, and then we're gonna leave it there for about another 10-15 minutes. So I'm trying to lower this down without turning it off. I think that's it right there. I think that's the lowest I can go. Okay, so why I put this on, because there is a lot of what do you call that, condensation water around the lid, and I don't want the water going to the cooked rice. So I just want to make sure it's tight. Okay, and just leave it there for about 20 minutes. Holy crap, I forgot the onions. Don't forget your onion and your jalapeno. Okay. Okay, it's been about 18 minutes around there. Go ahead and turn it off, and do not open the lid. Wait for about 10-15 minutes before you open it, and go watch some show or something. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check it out. See, this is why I wrapped it. See all that fluid there? All that? I don't want that in the rice, so that's why I put this towel in there. I mean, if you don't have to, if it doesn't bother you, then just put the lid on. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Let's put some lime on. Pour some lime. Okay, now let's mix it. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, and it smells so good. You can really smell the, what do you call that? The cumin. Now, if you want it a little bit more red, you can add a small can of what do you call that? Tomato sauce, and it will be more red than this. The fire roasted is definitely my favorite. Now don't take off the towel, okay? Just leave it on until it cools completely. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. So make sure everything's tight there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below if you'd like. Give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Again, thank you so much. Bye bye.
They say you can't refer some piece amount. It's our membership. We're gonna build